Hi there. I just want to review something that I think is awesome. It's a vacuum. And there's my pup, Rev. Hey, buddy. This is a Black& Decker 20 volt. I call it a stick vacuum. It's the extreme version. And it's really good. Really good. I thought that maybe it wasn't a very good vacuum because this here canister fills up really fast. But then I realized the thing does work really well because I'm kind of dirty. And after a week or so, it just pulls up a lot of my hair, his hair, and it does a really good job. I just wanted to say that it's an awesome vacuum for anyone that's tired of cords. I'm tired of cords. I like this. It's nice. It doesn't have the battery on it right now, but it takes a 20 volt. Comes with a 2 amp hour battery. You can get the 4 amp hours on eBay. A lot cheap. I haven't used it on this, but I use them on my other Black& Decker tools, and you know, kind of love this vacuum. For the bachelors out there, I'm sorry, I'm gonna say, like, I don't vacuum much, but it works. I like it. A little simple. I can get under stuff. Underneath that coffee table is really easy to do. I like it. So yeah, that's all I have to say there.